Hello, good morning po. Pasensya na po, medyo nagkaroon lang po ng technicalities sa aming internet. So, today po is our pre-bid for 2 goods projects. 24 GDJ 00, 24 GDJ 04 and 24 GDJ 05. To start po, hingin po muna natin ang gabay ng ating Panginoon sa panguna po ng ating Back Secretariat, si Engineer Mayo Gayeta.
Good morning po. Sandali po tayong tumahimik at hingin po natin ang presensya ng Panginoon. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat po sa biyayang buhay na pinagkaloob niyo po sa bawat isa. Lord, maraming salamat po at binigyan niyo po kami ng pagkakataon ng isang magandang panahon para po sa gaganapin na pre-bid conference na ito. Lord, ipagkaloob niyo po sa bawat isa ang talas ng isipan upang maunawaan ang lahat ng tatalakayin sa pre-bid conference na ito. And Lord, sa inyo na po namin tinataas ang lahat na ito sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Engineer Gayeta. So, to acknowledge po sa lahat ng mga presence na po na naka-join dito sa ating pre-bid. Sa panguna po ng ating back member, ang ating pong administrative officer, Miss Hazel Elises. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello po, good morning.
Thank you po. And ating pong back member, si Engineer Charlotte Abulencia. Good morning po.
Good morning po.
Thank you po. So, siguro po yung iba nating back member ay hahabol pa. So, meron nga po nagkaroon po ng technical problem yung aming internet. So, next po ang ating pong back TWG member, Engineer Rainier Palaganas. Good morning, sir.
Good morning po.
Thank you. Next po ang ating back TWG member, Engineer Jim Paul Abril. Good morning po.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning po.
Thank you po. Next po is ating uling back TWG member, Miss Glyren Losloso. Good morning.
Good morning po, ma'am. Good morning po sa lahat.
Thank you po. Next po ating pong mga back secretariat, si Engineer Mayo Gayeta. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Thank you po. Next po ang ating back secretariat member, Engineer Joyce Carladino. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Back secretariat member, si Miss Laila Derama. Good morning po.
Good morning po.
Next po is back secretariat member, Miss Joy Aragon.
Good morning po.
Morning. Thank you. Ang ating pong Commission on Audit representative, si Miss Reform Tony.
Good morning po.
Morning po. And ang ating pong programmer from survey unit. Good morning. Next po is yung mga naka-Zoom na po, naka-online na po na ating mga wait lang. Interested suppliers. Nandiyan na po ang representative ni Brianna Solution. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Po. Representative ni Endzone Educational Resources Incorporated. Good morning. And another po is representative ni TechPil Geo Solutions, si Ms. Marites. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
po.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning. So, may na-miss po ba ako sa mga naka-join na dito sa ating Previd? So, ang inyo pong lingkod, Engineer Lim Faderada ng Procurement Unit po ng Quezon 2 DEO. Magandang umaga rin po sa mga nakasubaybay po sa ating YouTube live stream. So, thank you. And again, good morning po. At start na po natin ang ating presentation ng ating pong ibibid for pre-bid for today. So number 1 po is 24 GDJ04 with PR number 20 N-2024-02-031 for chase of 1 unit unnamed aerial vehicle UAV for the use at the DPWH Quezon 2nd DEO, Lucena City. So yung goods po to be procured is unnamed aerial vehicle. Cost of bidding document, approved budget for the contract po is 6,500,000. Cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. Next po is 24G DJ05 with PR number N-2024-02-032. Contract name for chase of 1 unit survey equipment for use in surveying and design equipment for use at the DPWH Quezon 2nd DEO, Lucena City, Planning and Design Section. Yung goods po to be procured is survey equipment. Ang approved budget for the contract is 5 million pesos. Cost of bidding documents is 5,000 pesos with contract duration pareho po na 30 calendar days. So, nakahanda na po ba yung ating survey? So, paki-present na po yung yung ating scope of work para po dun sa ating dalawang project. Thank you.
Good morning po. Purchase of 1 unit unnamed aerial vehicle UAV for use at the DPWH Quezon 2nd Day, Lucena City Planning and Design Section. Contract ID 24GBJ04 and 2024-02-031. Item description: unnamed aerial vehicle UAV with LiDAR. Attachment. Quantity 1 unit lot. ABC and duration of the project. Approved budget for the contract ABC 6,500,000. Delivery date of goods contract duration 30 calendar days. DPWH Infrastructure Program, purchase of 1 unit survey equipment for use in surveying and design equipment for use at the DPWH Quezon second day. Lucena City, Planning and Design Section, Contract ID 24GDJ05N 2024-02 and 032. Item description, survey equipment, quantity 1 unit, lot. Lot. AEC and duration of the project. Approved budget for the contract ABC 5 million. Delivery date of goods contract duration 30 calendar days.
May question po kaya. Siguro po ay diretso po muna natin yung ano, tapos mamaya po pwede mag-question. Acknowledge po natin yung presence ni Engineer Marco Biton, back TWG member. Good morning po. Paki-present na po yung submission of bids.
Submission of bids. The two envelope system, one original copy of the technical and financial bid proposal in a sealed envelope. Bidding date, March 12, 2023. Submission of bidding documents until 9 a.m. only, and opening of bidding documents at 9 o'clock a.m. Checklist of technical and financial documents. Number 1, technical component envelope, and 2, the financial component envelope. The technical component envelope for Class A documents, the legal documents. 1, valid PhilJobs registration certificate for Platinum membership, all pages. Registration certificate from the Securities and Exchange Commission, from Department of Trade and Industry for sole proprietorship or Cooperative Development Authority for cooperatives or its equivalent documents. Number 3, the mayor's or business permit issued by the city or municipality where the principal place of business of the prospective bidders is located, or the equivalent document for exclusive economic zone or areas. Number 4, the tax clearance for EO number 398 series of 2005 was finally reviewed and approved by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. For technical documents, number 1, the statement of prospective bidders of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. Number 2, the statement of bidders' single largest completed contract or SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid except under conditions provided under the rules. And 3, the original copy of notarized bid security in the form of surety bond, and submit also a certification issued by Insurance Commission or original copy of notarized bid securing declaration using form DPWH Infra 10, 9, 10, or 11 as applicable, with 120 calendar days validity, and please specify in the BSD. Number 4, conformity with the technical specification, which may include the productivity or delivery schedule, the manpower requirements, and or after sales or parts if applicable. And number 5, the original duly signed omnibus sworn statement and applicable the original notarized secretary certificate in case of corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture, giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and do acts to represent the bidder. For financial documents, number 1, the audited financial statement, stamp received by the BIR or its duly accredited and authorized institution for the immediate preceding calendar year, which should not be earlier than 2 years from the date of bid submission, showing among others the total assets and liabilities. Number 2, the computation of the net financial contracting capacity or NFCC or a committed line of credit from a universal or commercial bank in lieu of its NFCC computation. For Class B documents, number 1, if applicable, a duly signed joint venture agreement in case of joint venture is already in existence, or a duly notarized statement from all of the potential joint venture partners stating that they will enter into and abide the provision of JBA in the instance that the bid is successful. Other documentary requirements under RA 9184, if as applicable. Number 1, for foreign bidders claiming by reason of their country's extension of reciprocal rights to Filipinos, certification from the relevant government office of their country stating that Filipinos are allowed to participate in the government procurement activities from the same item or product. And number 2, certification from DTI if the bidder claims preference as a domestic bidder or domestic entity. For financial envelope, the envelope number 2, number 1, the original duly signed and accomplished financial bid form. Number 2, the original duly signed and accomplished price schedule. Bidding documents, the adopted revised IRR of RA 9184, 6th edition of July 2020, and procurement manual for goods, the guidelines from 2016 IRR of RA 9184, updated March 31, 2022. Other bidding documents. Attached in the technical documents are the supplier's performance evaluation system or SPES rating to be used in the evaluation and post-qualification of the bid pursuant to DEO number 31 series of 2015. Checklist and duly signed proposal booklet should be attached in the technical envelope. There should be documentary stamp on bidder's bond and all other notarized documents. And there should be table of contents, and the document should be paginated and bookbinded with ear tags pursuant to DEO number 90 series 2002. The bidder's authorized representative must present their valid company and any government issued ID. And any missing documents on the checklist will be ground for outright rejection of the bid. Please use A4 size bond paper for the technical and financial bid proposal or the prescribed info form which can be found in the bid proposal booklet. Take note of DEO 35 series of 2008, the guidelines in the implementation of the three-strike policy in the procurement of civil works and consultancy services contracts by the department, and reiterated in DEO number 17 series of 2015, the three-strike policy in the procurement of contracts for infrastructure works, goods, and consulting services. Thank you po.
Kasama ito sa in-upload. Hindi lang napasama sa... Hindi, okay lang. May question po kaya? Okay lang, kahit walang yun.
Sige, ano ko lang po yung hindi yun. Ito.
Naka-upload yun.
Opo, ma'am.
Oh, may
Ay, i-zoom ko na lang po, ma'am.
Wag na, wag na.
Wag na.
Okay lang.
Ah.
Wala pang Wala pang question? So, para po malinaw din kung wala pa kayong question, ang aming pong presentation is ay naka-upload po sa DPWH and PhilJEP's website. So, pwede nyo pong ma-view doon and pwede rin po nyo ma-download. So, para po makita nyo lahat ng specification, naka-upload po lahat yung ating pong presentation today at saka yung mga specification po niya ay naka-upload po lahat sa website ng DPWH at PhilDep's website. And then, doon naman po concerning po doon sa submission of bids, ito pong presentation nga po natin ay via YouTube live streaming. So, pwede po nyo ma-view uli ang ating pong presentation. March, ano na ang bidding?
March 12.
So, ang bidding po natin is March 12. So, pwede nyo po ring pwede po kayong tumawag dito sa aming office for clarification. So, ang pagbili nyo po ng bidding documents is Monday to Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. So, pag Friday lang po, nililimit po namin ito from 8 to 12 noon para po yung mga ating mga collection ng bid docs ay ma-remit po natin sa bangko. Sige, okay na. So, kung ano po ay bali po, pwede po kayong bumili dito sa aming office para po sa inyong mga bidding documents. So,
Nagre-raise po ng
ano?
Nagre-raise po ng kamay.
Ma'am, itatakal pa naman natin yung specs dito, no? Yung mga specification, ma'am, tsaka requirements.
Okay po. Sige po. Hindi pala na.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hindi po
Hindi ba
pala.
tatapos? Thank
Sige,
you.
sige. Okay lang. Hindi.
Okay,
Hindi.
okay.
Ay, yung parang hindi nila na. So ito po yung description ng ating unmanned aerial vehicle. So, yung main equipment component, multi-color. Multi-rotor, quadcopter, or hexacopter, or octacopter. Small UAV as defined by CAAP, less than 7 kilograms in weight. With obstruction, detection, and automatic home function. Ang speed po niya ay 60 kph minimum. Flight endurance, 50 minutes minimum. Wind tolerance or endurance, 54 kph minimum po. Environmental protection, IP45 minimum. So yung controller po natin is screen size 7-inch minimum. Screen resolution 1920 by 1200 p. Brightness 1000 cb per meter square. Range is 15 kilometer minimum. Battery life internal 2 hours minimum. Battery life internal plus external 6 hours minimum. field and data processing on laptop, operating system Windows 11 or its latest edition, processors 11, General Intel Core 17 AMD, Ryzen or equivalent. RAM 32 gigabytes, video card RTX 3060 or better. This display is 15.6 inches and storage is 1 TB SSD. Processor Intel Xeon 2200 minimum. Video card NVIDIA RTX 4000 minimum. RAM is 64 gigabytes minimum, ROM or ROM, 1 TB SSD minimum, HDD 8 TB minimum. Monitor LED 32 inches minimum. So yung post-processing software license po yung dapat naka-attach. Professional LiDAR solution, point cloud generation, mass generation, export to AutoCAD or any equivalent software. Joyce. So yung accessories po niya, GNSS-based control with manufacturer standard spare parts package with 4 extra batteries and multi-slot battery charger. The lower the value, the more accurate. With battery safety bag, with 1 piece 64 giga plus drive, with 1 piece ITB external hard drive, and with user's manual. Yung other requirements po is with exclusive authorized distributors certificate from the manufacturer or drone. Yung kasunod. With exclusive authorized distributors certificate from the manufacturer ng GNSS-based control. Next is with certificate of service support in the Philippines stating the location of the service center, drone, GNSS, and base control. With 5 years experience in supplying survey equipment, with 1 year warranty on factory defects, drone, GNSS, and base control. With aerial safety and emergency procedure training, with field and post-processing training, with supplier has personnel and or trainers with CAAP RPA controller certificate, with assistance on CAAP RPA controller certification of at least 3 personnel of the procuring office, and with actual demo of equipment prior to award. So notes, specification of main equipment must be indicated or indicated in the original brochure, manual or technical papers that can be downloaded or reflected in the manufacturer's website. Number 2, accessories shall be noted, complied on bidding documents and shall be checked for the compliance upon delivery. Other requirements shall be supported by certificates or documents supporting its compliance. And all technical specifications issued prior to the date of this issuance are considered invalid or obsolete. So ito po yung specs ng AUB UAB or unmanned aerial vehicle.
Nagre-release po.
Sino bang nag-ano? Sinong naano?
Si,
Okay, sige, sige. Yes po.
Ma'am, good morning.
Good
Tanong ko
morning.
lang po, dito po sa may yung sa drone, yung exclusive authorized, pwede po ba yung distributor ang mag-authorize dun sa reseller? Ganun po.
Mr. Sa survey, please. Teka, wait po.
Yung with exclusive
With
authorized.
exclusive authorized distributor certificate from the manufacturer. Yung pong manufacturer ang mag-certificate. Magbibigay ng certification.
Okay po. Okay ma'am. Sige po. Kasi ma'am, yung drone, halimbawa kung dito sa Philippines, meron siyang mga distributors. And then, wala namang exclusive yun. Ngayon, syempre, kung hindi sila sasali po, syempre mga resellers like us yung sasali, hindi ba pwede yung from the dealer, from the authorized dealer, yung certification namin?
Anto nga po, authorized distributor certificate from the manufacturer.
Okay. Sige, ma'am. So, kailangan sige, ma'am.
Yes
Sige,
po,
ma'am. Okay
opo.
po. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. May question pa po? So yung next.
Ito po sa survey equipment.
Sige, yung ganito din.
Wala po, ma'am.
Meron. Ayan. Okay. Sige, para dun sa survey equipment, discuss
Okay
po,
Ah,
sir, survey.
survey equipment. Quantity one set, 5 million. Name of equipment.
Pakilakas ng boses.
Name of equipment, Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS equipment. Receiver rover. Multi-frequency capable of receiving multitude of signals from any GNSS system. Measurement capability, single base RTK network, RTK and PPK. Integrated transmit and receive data link. Base, satellite tracking, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, USDSS, SBAS. Number of channels, 440 channels. High accuracy static, RMS. Horizontal, 3 mm plus minus 0.1 ppm. Vertical, 3.5 mm plus minus 0.4 ppm. Static and fast static RMS. Horizontal, 3 mm plus minus 0.5 ppm. Vertical, 5 mm plus minus 0.5 ppm. Real-time kinematic RTK. Horizontal, 8 mm plus minus 1.0 ppm. Vertical, 15 mm plus minus 1.0 ppm. Equipment time to fix, 15 seconds max. Allowable full tilt, 30 degrees max. Battery life, 6 hours, minimum single, multiple hot swappable. Dust, water protection, IP67 minimum communication, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, cellular. Field controller, same brand as the receiver or the certificate of compatibility from the manufacturer of main equipment. National Commission Telecommunication Equipment Conformity Certificate ESD GEC 22075009. Operating system Windows Android OS. Screen size 7 inches minimum colored. Internal storage 32 gig minimum. External storage 32 gig minimum. RAM 4 gig minimum. Dust water protection IP67 minimum. Camera 8 MP. Battery life 8 hours minimum single multiple. Application installed. Stakeout volume calculation and road module application. Name of equipment and unmanned surface vehicle. Single beam. Main equipment, speed 15 kph minimum, speed 28 kph maximum, propeller, dual propeller or more. Sounding performance, sounding range 0.3 meter to 300 meter. Sounding resolution 1 centimeter plus minus 0.1 H is equals to depth. Accuracy 2 cm plus 1 ppm. Work frequency 200 kHz 25 kHz. Communication mode RF or UHF. Communication distance 2 km minimum. Battery endurance 4 hours minimum. Dust and water IP65. Maneuver manual or full automatic. Operating system Windows and Android. Post-processing software capability. Depth data collection on board data logging. Route planning and simulation data corrections. DEM generation multiple data forms. GNSS-based control and rover. DPWH standard specification for GNSS, DPWH POD, SID, QNSF 13F. Additional specification for GNSS for hydrographic application allowable tilt 10 degrees minimum. Display 13 inches anti-glare FHD or equivalent. Operating system Windows 10 or software compatible OS. Processor Intel 6th Gen i5 processor minimum and Intel HD graphics. Storage 1 terabyte HDD, RAM 8 gig minimum, warranty 1 year minimum. Yung laptop po. First description, accessories, 1-piece rover, bipod, same brand as the receiver, 1-piece rover pole, same brand as the receiver. 2 pieces extra batteries, aside from the installed batteries, manufacturers battery for GNSS rover. 1 piece extra battery, field controller, manufacturer's battery. 1 piece USB flash drive 32 gig. 1 piece external hard drive 1 terabyte. 1 set dual head battery charger, manufacturer charger for GNSS rover. Complete cable accessories for GNSS and other devices. Communication radio 2 sets, extra battery 2 sets for USB, battery charger for USB, 1 set equipment manual. Other requirements, authorized exclusive distributor certificate from the manufacturers, apostolate certificate attached. Certificate of Manufacturer Service Support Center in the Philippines with 1 year warranty on factory defects with at least 5 years experience in supplying survey equipment with local service center certified by the manufacturer local in the Philippines with 5 days field and data post-processing training with 5 years annual calibration from the authorized service center of the manufacturer. actual demo of equivalent prior to award, verification of equipment range is equals to 5 kilometer for GNSS. Notes. Number 1, specification of main equivalent must be indicated or indicated in the original brochure, manual or technical papers that can be downloaded or reflected in the manufacturer website. Number 2, accessories shall be noted, complied on the bidding documents and shall be checked for the compliance upon delivery. Number 3, other requirements shall be supported by certificates or documents supporting in compliance. Number 4, all technical specifications issued prior to the data of this insurance are considered invalid or obsolete.
So, yun po yung specification ng survey equipment. So, may question po kaya? Yes po, Miss Marites.
Good morning, ma'am. Ulat.
Yes.
Ma'am, yung kasi nakalagay dyan na NTC, National Telecommunication, actually it's a registration number. So, bawat supplier may sariling number ng kanilang registration sa National Telecommunication for the equipment. Asa na?
Sir Survey, pakisagot po.
Yes, that's true.
Wait lang po. Pakiulit po ng tanong para maano namin sa survey.
Yes, ma'am. Bali po kasi yung nakalagay po dito na NTC number, ito ay specific sa isang brand po. Kasi po, kaming mga suppliers na may carry ng mga brands, kapag nagpa-register po kami sa sa NTC po, yung dulo po na numbers, yan po ang ini-issue na number sa amin. So this one is specified for a specific brand na na-issuehan ng MTC ng certificate.
Mr. Survey, pakisagot yung question nila.
Hello po, good morning po. Ang tanong po ay kung may specific na brand or naka-specified na brand.
Walang brand. Wala naman tayong brand na wala pong specific brand. So, kung
Yes po. Wala pong specific brand, ma'am. Kasi BOD naman po. Kaya lang yung in-insert nyo po kasi na requirement na national NTC certificate number represent yung kung anong brand po or company yung nag-apply, and then kumbaga para po yun yung parang control number, parang ganun. Control number bawat application. Like that po.
So siguro po kung yung NTC na yun, I'll check it, pero palagay ko hindi po para sa specific brand. Kung yun yung ano yung ng NTC, so kung may specific kayo na number, so siguro yun yung pwede nyo ilagay.
Sige po. Salamat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Opo.
Any question ba po? Wala ba si ako doon?
Ma'am, wala naman po, pero dun sa special conditions na lang.
Opo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vision. Yes po. Saan po sa special condition?
Ma'am, eto po yung nakalagay po kasi dito, ma'am. Di ba, nire-require nyo naman po kami na parang may duly notarized na 2 clients na meron kaming good track record and after sales. Dito po kasi, ma'am, kasi dun sa nakalagay na bidder preferably ISO certified, hindi po ba kasi goods na yung binibili natin, hindi po ba mas maganda kung yung manufacturer mismo ng equipment ang ISO certified, ma'am?
Yes, okay po. Sige po. Ang alam siguro yun sa amin. Maraming tayo. Siguro dun sa dun special condition nila nilagay. Sige po. So, yung sa special condition po ng contract, kung nakalagay dun ay ISO certified, so yung supplier po kailangan din ISO certified din po yun. So, yun po yung nakalagay dun sa hindi naman po pwedeng baguhin yun.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi po, ma'am, yung ISO, ma'am, 'di ba? May mga company na sa health, yung mga ganun po kasi yung mga ISO. So, ang inaano ko lang po, ma'am, since meron naman po tayo ditong at least 2 clients na naka-notarize ng after sales service and meron din suppliers performance evaluation rating, baka pwedeng ang i-ISO natin yung manufacturer mismo ng supply, ng equipment kasi yun yung binibili natin. Kasi kapag supplier naman, health naman yung kanyang ISO, kasi maraming klase po ng ISO, ma'am.
Yes po, marami pong klase. Kahit po sa amin, dapat po kami ISO certified and DPWH. So, ang hinahanap din po namin supplier is ISO certified po.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Pero pwede bang i-specify nyo na lang po kung anong klaseng ISO, ma'am? Kasi kung, halimbawa, quality ang natin, so sa quality na tayo, ISO, ma'am.
Sige po. Sige po, ano po namin dun sa ating survey, hindi lang po naka-attend yun sa survey na head namin. So, akin pong i-verify and then i-bibid bulletin po namin yung kanyang sagot.
Sige po, ma'am. Thank you
Okay.
po.
Thank you po. May question pa po.
Ma'am, yung dun sa UAB nyo, sa UAB drone, wala siyang attachment po. Drone lang siya nalilipad po. Wala po. Nakalagay kasi dito na attachment. Na kung ano po yung carry ng drone. Kasi kung walang laman ito, drone lang is i-deliver ma'am, medyo costly po siya kung drone lang. Ano po ba ang attachment nito, ma'am? Paglipad niya, anong gagawin niya sa taas? Kung wala po siyang required na attachment.
So, nandito po yung specification niya. So, kung sakali
Yes, ma'am.
po,
For the drone.
Opo. Mr. Survey, sagot.
Yan po yung specification po ng drone. Ito po parang ay meron pong may kasamang RTK po. Nandito po sa other requirement.
Yes, sir. Pero yung RTK is just a base station sa baba. Ano po yung kasamang attachment nito, sir? LiDAR po ba ito? Or ano pong klaseng camera yung carry ng drone? Kasi wala dito sa drone lang talaga siya. Which is medyo costly to Parang kung drone lang na maliit na drone. So tinatanong ko lang, sir, kasi baka mamaya pag evaluation, medyo hanapan ako ng attachment. Ano kayang attachment? Kasi kung drone lang na lilipad doon, ano po yung purpose ng paglipad niya? May camera po dapat na attachment or LiDAR or something ganun po.
Yes po, ma'am. Meron po itong specs po. May specs pa po itong drone natin. Hindi ko lang po kasi wala lang po yung head namin.
Sige po, sir. So, bali, sir, hintayin na lang po namin yung posting nyo ng attachment specification po, kung LiDAR po ba ito.
Okay
Or,
po, ma'am.
opo. Thank you, sir.
So, okay na po?
Yes po, ma'am. Yes po. Salamat, ma'am.
Thank you po. And ang ating pong meeting is on March 12, March 12, 9 a.m. po. Pagkatapos ng after the submission of bidding documents. So, okay na po. So, thank you po sa inyong lahat sa pag-join po dito sa aming private.
Salamat,
Good morning
ma'am.
po. Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po.